lovely people, welcome to another video. So today's video is sponsored by West Kiss Hair. They sent me one wig. It's 180 density and it's 6 inches. I've never worn a wig this short before, so we're gonna see what this is giving. It also came with some goodies. It came with a wig cap, a hair bonnet. I've never received a hair bonnet from these hair companies before, so I really appreciate that. Lashes, of course. Their headband. It came with the black spandex band, and it also came with a comb. This is probably the most goodies I've ever received from a hair company, so thank you West Kiss for sponsoring today's video. I'm not gonna lie, when I first received this wig, I was like, 6 inches is kind of giving auntie, and I'm a niece, but I guess this is a challenge about, you know, doing hair. You customize it to your liking. So honestly, this is a project for me. I already washed it and used foundation on the lace. I see that there's like a little part here that I'm gonna use my hot comb to take off because I don't want that part. But honestly, you and me are gonna do this together because I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut the lace and it might help me. Honestly, there's not even enough space for ear tabs, interesting enough. So I don't feel like I need to cut the ear tabs. They both end right here and my ear is right here. So I guess that's good. I don't know if that will be good for everyone. Everyone has a different head shape. But for me, I did not have to cut ear tabs. Right now, I'm just doing a trim just so I can see what I'm working with style-wise, and just so it'll be easier for me to lay. I'm just gonna use my Evan spray around my perimeter. Just around my hairline. You guys know I love this. It's not glue and it doesn't leave no residue on the lace. Like, I love that. I need it to get a little tacky. Usually I use a blow dryer, but I just don't feel like getting my blow dryer. All you need is air. Okay, it feels a bit tacky, so I'm gonna lay it now. I'm gonna bring the lace up to where I want it to lay on my forehead. This is kind of snug. I know I have a big head, but damn. This is a medium cap size. If you feel like your head is bigger than mine, get a large. I'm gonna wrap it, but I just want the ears to stick so that when I wrap it, I don't have a hard time. I'm just gonna keep this on for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna use my Evan wax stick. I'm gonna comb it out a bit and see if it, honestly, I think it'll be cute once it's like fluffed out. And as short as it is, I think I might cut it some more because it's like uneven. I don't know if you could tell, like, the same amount of fullness is not at the back. So like, I kind of want it to be all one level. I feel like this, it would be cute rather than the little pieces stringing at the back. So I'm probably gonna trim it just so it's giving a U shape. I feel like that would be cuter. I do want to wet the back because I feel like the curls, when I combed it out, the curls kind of turned into a wave. So I'm trying to revive the curls at the back again. So let's see how the lace is doing. Bruh. The lace needs some help. It needs a lot of help. It needs a lot of help. Okay, let's cut again. You know what's gonna help this lace? Spritz spray. I've heard so much about this spray. We're gonna see if it does the magic that everyone claims it does. So guys, you see the before, right? We're gonna use the spritz spray to hide it. Actually, before I spritz it, let me put more foundation. Guys, I see what the hype is about. Oh, inside is gone. Do you see this? Compared to what it was before, I'm gonna show you guys before and look with the spritz spray. Lace gone. The lace actually laid. I am shooketh. And it's really full actually. Let me use some, I'm gonna use some mousse just right at the front where I want it to be a little bit more curly. This is an Argan Oil Moroccan mousse. Oh, baby hairs are needed. This is amazing. Oh, the mousse did it. The mousse done did it. So this is a finished look. Not so bad. Pretty cute if I do say so myself. I think I'm giving these. Let me know in the comments if you are feeling this cute pixie cut curly wig from West Kiss. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how I did with this short bob. I think I did pretty good. Let me know. It's low maintenance for anyone who wants a wig where you don't have to pluck, make baby hairs. This is the type of wig for you. It was very easy to do, low maintenance. All you had to do is lay the lace. Done. If you made it to the end of today's video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have heard of the spritz spray and will be trying it on your future install. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. Psalm 139:14.